as an entrepreneur and business owner myself, I know how difficult it can be sometimes to budget in a grant writer and a copywriter. I mean, we need those grant writers because we need that free money that's out there that we don't have to pay back, that can help us scale and grow our business, that can help us secure inventory for our products, that can help us pay team members to provide services. It can get difficult, and some of us, we just, we forego that. We forego applying for grants. We forgo, even creating copy or hiring copywriters, should I say, to create that content that we know we need in order to relay our capabilities and our qualifications to our target audience. Which is why Path to Connections have come up with B.O.S.S, Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop. We are actually going to workshop you through the 5 stories you need as an entrepreneur and a business owner, and we are going to help you to define the 9 characters that must appear in each story you tell. You walk away from this workshop with deliverables. You walk away from this workshop with the content you need to bring awareness to your brand, customers to your business, and to be able to convince those grantors and, let's say, even your loan officer, the loan officer, to give you the funds that you need in order to be able to maintain, sustain, thrive, and strive in your business, okay? Because let's just face it, when you go out to fill out loans, when you go to your bank to fill out loans, or even online applications, you may never get a chance to share your story with that, what's the name of it? The underwriter. You may never get a chance to tell your story to the underwriter. So you're going to have to be able to tell and relay a memorable story, a story that sticks, a story from your heart to the actual loan officer, to your actual banker, your online application, to actually be able to tell the story in your online application. You will be able to do that with the deliverables you will receive as a result of attending B.O.S.S, Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop. This is not your typical webinar, 90 minutes, giving you some basics. I mean, you need to go beyond the basic. And who wants to be basic when your goal is to stand out? So visit pathtoconnections.com, check out our B.O.S.S, Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop, and then register, of course. We'll see you inside.